The release button is part of your bandsaw's bumper assembly. It locks the adjustable bumper in place. Over time, the latch portion of the button can wear, causing the bumper to slip. If the roll pin that secures it in place comes loose, the button can be lost. Replacing the release button is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear guard. With the guard removed, I have access to both of the screws on the rear roller. I'll remove it next. And with the roller removed, now I can remove the bumper. The button is secured to the bumper with a roll pin. I'll place the bumper over the jaws on my vise. The jaws are slightly open to allow the roll pin to pass through. I'll use a punch to remove the pin. With the pin removed, now I can remove the button. Now I can install the new button. I slide the button through the bumper housing and align it with the spring. Now I'll align the hole in the bumper with the hole in the lever so I can reinstall the roll pin. And I'll tap the roll pin into place. Now I can reinstall the bumper. I'll press the button on the bumper and align it with the T-block. Then I just slide it back into place. Now I'll reinstall the rear roller. There's a pin on the back of the roller assembly that will align it with the housing. Once it's aligned, I'll reinstall the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the rear guard. And that's all it takes to replace the release button on your portable bandsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.